Let's see how to create a new product with Propel Product Configurator and Customizer. If you have not seen the previous two videos of this series, that is about the need of cropped images and the difference between a product and a scene, then I would suggest you please go through those videos first and then come back here so you understand the context better. So now, to create a new product, go to Products, Create a Product, and you see a tiny form where you enter the product name and the preview image, thumbnail and the basic details. You add that, and here you see the editor where you can upload the elements and options, and you can create the product there. A belt of a watch is an element. The collar of the shirt is an element. The pocket of a blazer is an element. The tongue of the shoe is an element. And likewise, you need to create various elements for all the products that you want to sell through Product Customizer and Configurator. And once you create a element, take for example the shirt collar. So for the shirt collar element, now you need to upload all the option images, various types of the collar that you want to offer to your customer. You upload all the options. So likewise, you create all the elements and upload all the options for those elements. You can also create a sub element under one element. Take for example for a bicycle, you create the element frame. Now maybe bicycle can have a very generic type male frame and female frame, and then on top of that you want them to select the color of the frame. So you can create those as sub element under frame. First they will select the frame type, that is male frame or female frame, and then they'll select the frame color. Understood? You also can set the dependencies between the elements and the option. Take for example the shirt cuff. Now it doesn't make any sense to offer the cuff as an option if the user has selected half sleeve shirt. You understood? Cuff can fit only when the shirt is of full sleeve. So you can set this kind of dependencies. So if user selects half sleeve shirt, the cuff option, cuff element, option of the cuff will go away. Fine. So this way you can create the dependencies between the elements and the options. So you need to create the elements, the options. You can also set sub elements and dependencies depending on the need of your product. And exactly on the similar lines, you can create the scene. Now for the scene, take for example living room, a table is an element. So you create a table as an element and then upload all the option images for the table. Also you create a chair, a center table, a sofa or a TV or a curtain, all this as elements, and then you upload options for all those. So that's how you create the product or scene, and you can start selling.